Good morning class first. Today I am here to start a new chapter of English first, and the chapter number is 4 and the chapter name is The Ugly Duckling. Firstly we have to know what is the meaning of ugly and duckling. So ugly means which is not beautiful, which is not pretty, and the duckling means baby duck. So this is a story about a baby duck, and his look is not very much good, and he is looking ugly, and that's why nobody likes him. Okay, so this story is about the baby duck, and we can call duckling. So it was a warm summer day. Warm means hot, summer is a season. Okay, warm summer day. A mother duck was sitting on her 10 eggs. How many eggs were there? 10 eggs were there, and the mother was sitting on the eggs. And suddenly what happened? One noise. She listened. Tichik tichik. The noise like this. Tichik tichik. And the noise mother duck heard. Now she think this is a time for her duckling to come out from the egg. So one by one all the eggs were broken, and the little duckling came out from the eggs like this. They are coming out from the eggs, but one of the egg which was bigger than the other egg, so it was not cracked, it was not broken. Then what mother did? The mother sat on the egg again. She sit on the egg, and she was waiting to crack the egg. So again the sound has came, tichik tichik. So she was very happy that the last of the baby duck is coming out from the egg. But that duck was very different from the other 9 ducks. Total number of ducks were 10, and the 9 were small and bright yellow color. They were having bright yellow color, and the last duckling which was different from the other 9 ducks, so he was in gray in color. The last duckling was gray in color. So all the ducklings said, "You are very ugly bird." Means you are not good, you are not beautiful, and we are beautiful. They all the 9 duckling were saying like this. And what happened in the night? That they do not allow the ugly duckling to sleep with them. So next day what happened? Next day mother duck took all the children nearby river for swimming. And what happened? All the duckling quickly jumped into the water. They jumped into the water and start swimming. But the 9 which were in yellow color, 9 duckling were not able to swim as properly as the gray color ugly duckling was swimming. So this is the reason why these ducklings were disliking the gray color baby duck. After swimming, all the mother duck and baby duckling came back to the farmyard. Farmyard means the land where they were living, and there many of the ducks, many more ducks and duckling were there, and some cocks. Roosters means hen, and cocks were also there, and nobody was liking that duck which was in gray color. Nobody were liking. So they start making fun. They all were making fun. They were teasing him that you are not beautiful and you are not allowed to live here with them. Ugly duckling was crying, and now he sat in a quiet corner. He sat in a corner. Quiet means silently, and hide his face, and he hide his face. So one day after disliking from the other ducklings and hen and cocks, what he did? He ran away from the farmyard, from his own home. He ran away and went to the far away lake. Now what does he see there? he was watching many big birds swimming in the lake. There were very big birds, and these birds were very beautiful, very beautiful, and they had white feather and long neck. Their wings were broad and pretty, so he knew they were swan. So what he was watching in the lake, there were very beautiful birds were swimming, and these birds were swan. So ugly duckling looked them and thought कि I wish I was a beautiful as a swan. So he was thinking कि he should be also a swan. He was just moving here and there, going one place to another place. Then what happened, soon it was winter season came. Okay, when he take birth, it was summer season. Now it was winter season came. So in season there was a lot of snow, and the lake also was covered with snow. So the ugly duckling was very lonely. Nobody was with him, and he was very sad. And soon, slowly he grew up. And one day when he woke up, it was a springtime. He was watching that beautiful swan was playing in water, and his heart longed to swim with them. And he longed means he was wishing that he also want to swim with them, but he was afraid. Why he was afraid? He was afraid that he was thinking the swan will also make fun of that ugly duckling. Now he start crying and start washing his face in the lake. Now what he has seen? Now he has seen a beautiful swan looking back at him. He was seen that one swan is at the back side of that ugly duckling. He again rubbed his eyes and again looking. He couldn't believe his eyes. It was him. That beautiful swan was that ugly duckling. It means he was not a ugly duckling. He was a beautiful white and bright swan. So everyone was thinking that that duckling was a very ugly duckling, but when he grew up, he found he is a very beautiful swan. Now what to do? You have to read this chapter at least 2 or 3 times and underline the hard words. You will read it like this and you will underline the hard words. Like I am underlining here, summer, heard, like this. You will also underline and learn these hard words and click the picture and send in the group. Thank you.